How to contact Bank of America checking and saving customer service. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to check it out. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that we can head over to Bank of America and go to their site directly. This one right here. Once we head over to this site, we can log in into our account if we're not logged in. Otherwise, without even logging in the top right corner, we can find a section called Contact Us. So head over there and click on it, and we can look out for the main customer service. So we have this section, and you can look out for checking and saving customer service. So if you're looking for checking or saving, you can look out for that option within here. Go ahead and click on checking and savings. And once you open it up, this is the page here. So what we can do is basically look out for the phone number. So we have these phone number available and the opening hours available where you can contact them. This number helps with account balances and transactions, debit card issues, opening accounts, and general inquiries. And you can contact them. And there are also automated phone number that you can call, which should basically check your balance, transfer money, and review transactions. You can head over and look out for that, and do not trust random calls, messages asking for your details, and always use the official number. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.